look at here. If we are considering this DA, if we are considering this DA, then there I have structure given by Bio and Savart. Okay. According to this, if we are considering a point P where we have to observe magnetic field, then there will be a line with joining this point P with the line element. Okay. And this is written as vector R. It means what? Position vector of point P. So this is a angle. We can say this is an angle, and we are considering this theta. So according to this line and this line both are same. This line and this line are what? Both are same. So according to this diagram, according to Bio-Savart's law, we can consider that this line will also make a angle. This line also make an angle with this circle. Okay, so this is the angle. This is the angle. Right now, if you want to understand what will be the value of angle, then we can consider another thing, that is what? Suppose I am drawing a circle. I am drawing a circle. Okay, and I am just taking a small element of this circle. So that is what? DA. And if I am drawing a line, in this small element, then what's happening here? This will be like this small element. Okay, and if I am drawing a line, like this, okay, then you can see what is the angle between them? 90 degree. What is the angle between them? 90 degree. Okay, in this diagram this is not clear that there is 90 degree. Okay, but if we are taking small elements different from this diagram, okay, apart from this diagram, and this is the line, joining to the point P to small element DA. Okay, then you can easily see what? This is the angle of 90 degree. So we can say this is the right angle. Okay, so according to this we have formula, and that formula is what? Look at here. If we are talking about the dB, so what is the formula of Bio-Savart's law? Can you tell me? Mu naught upon 4 and I df sin and theta. Right now in the place of theta, what we are using here? 90 degree. Okay, so there will be sin 90. There will be what? Sin 90 divided by what is the value of this line? R. So we can say R square. Okay. Right now, there are magnetic field due to this line element. Similarly, here will be also what? Magnetic field. Okay, and this is the perpendicular to this line. That is known as dB. Okay, I am erasing this side view. This is your dB. In this thing, you can consider this is the line joining to point P, and this will be the D. This will be what? D. Okay. In the same manner, if we are taking another line element on the bottom side of this circle, then there will be same thing also, and also because of this there will be a magnetic field, and this will be the magnetic field. Okay. So this one and this one both are what? Magnetic field. Right now we have to resolve this magnetic field in the component. Okay. So there can be two things. First can be this one, and this can be written as dB sin phi. Okay, and second one is perpendicular to this sin phi, that will be what? dB cos phi. Okay, so according to this is the dB, and this is the cos component. And parallel to this line, that is what? dB sin phi. Okay. In the same manner, for this line also there will be a magnetic field and component. This will be cos phi, and this will be dB, and this will be sin phi. So dB sin phi, dB cos phi, and the dB, and also dB. Right now, look at here. This dB cos phi and this dB cos phi, both are same in the magnitude. But direction of this one is what? Upside, and this is downside. So magnitude is same, but directions are opposite. That's why both will cancel to each other. Okay, and we have just the resultant, that is what? dB sin phi and dB sin phi. So we can say resultant is what? dB sin phi. This is the resultant. Okay, resultant. This is the resultant. Thank you.